To have blown engine summer start on this piece of junk mower. Motor's pretty much half blown, it's knocked and everything, but I am going to have to use this board over here and put it on top of the engine so it don't shift. I don't know if it'll start without me. Yeah, see, it's pretty much toasted. And it's about blown. You can hear it knocking, but it still starts. Pretty bad. That means that motor's pretty much done for. You heard it kind of got knocking when you first started. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind you all that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day, everybody.